Yo! Today I'm going to show you guys how to get working Starpets promo codes in 2025. So what you need to do, guys, is go to this website. It's called zestcoupons.com. So once you're on the site, guys, just find these Starpets promo codes, press get code, and then press show coupon code. And once it loads, guys, you're just going to go ahead and press like get full code. And it's going to bring you over to this page right here where you have to enter your because obviously they're sending your code to your email, so make sure you go ahead and put that in. And one thing I want to show you is after you enter your email, guys, you are going to have to fill out this page right here where you have to fill out like your name and address, and then you have to do the deals. So you can see it says complete one deal, and the Monopoly Go $0 complete board level 10. This was one of the deals that popped up, so just go ahead and complete whatever you want to do. But yeah, it is super cool, guys, and the deals are very important though, so make sure you complete it, and you have to fill this out as well, very important. And then you will get your Starpets code, guys. So it's super crazy, and it fully works in 2025. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super wild, bro, and it actually works, so yeah, super cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed, but that is how you get the Starpets promo codes in 2025. So yeah, you just gotta go ahead and like hop on down and fill out your email, and then you're gonna be good to go. So see you guys in another video, but be sure to subscribe right here. So that is fully working in 2025. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super cool, guys, and it totally works. So if this video works to you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm gonna see you guys later. Be subscribed. This is super awesome. It's 2025, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. And yes, super cool, guys, and peace out.